There's the little girl. There's the little girl. With your arms folded up. And tomorrow we're going to see the oncologist in Halifax. And I think Connor's in here.
Until next semester when we can find a professor.
I thought you didn't want to leave the school on the reservation with one less teacher. You were pretty firm on that.
There was 5 out there and I had to be quiet.
What I mean is I want both. I can teach mornings at the high school.
Couldn't make the noise that they would run, eh? Here's the baby. I got Charlotte. All the hot dogs and everything are gone, and
are they?
And yeah, they're eating the dry food there now.
Oh, good.
Is there any more hot dogs in that bucket?
No.
Oh, it's all gone.
Yeah.
Well, I'll put some cookies out.
Either that or give them some more hot dogs. I only cut 3 pounds.
Yeah. Well, no, we'll just do the cookies.
Okay.
Yeah. Right, Connor?
He's had a busy evening.
He did so. He was beating up that kick toy.
Yeah.
Yeah. And he was bumming food.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'll just say goodnight then. And
Good night then.
we'll see you later.
Bye.
I assume we're going to the doctor tomorrow.
Yes, we are.
In Halifax.
Yep.
Yeah. So if you notice the video was very quiet at the first. We didn't want to stir them all up out there.
Oh.
So, as I know if I crack that door, they'd be gone.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's still 5 out there. You want some cookies? You want some cookies? See how they rhymed on? I got cookies. All 5 of them took off. Alright, I want to put some cookies out. See you later.